Good morning, I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. Today is the 24th of August and we have a lineup of crucial stories touching every corner of the globe, from the latest developments in politics to groundbreaking technological advancements. Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to Kyiv expressed India's readiness to actively contribute to peace efforts between Russia and Ukraine, emphasizing the importance of territorial integrity and diplomacy over warfare. Former students of RG Kar Medical College are revealing corruption and malpractice under Dr. Sandeep Ghosh following the investigation into the rape and murder of a trainee doctor. ISRO Chief S. Somnath announced that Bharatiya Antariksh Station will feature 5 modules, with the first robotic module to be launched by 2028, aiming for fully assembly by 2035. PM Modi, in a meeting with Ukrainian President Zelensky, asserted that India was never neutral in the Russia-Ukraine war, consistently siding with the peace and urging dialogue for conflict resolution. The Calcutta High Court transferred the investigation into financial irregularities at RG Kar Medical College from a state SIT to the CBI, following a petition by former Deputy Superintendent. Jharkhand police used tear gas and water cannons to disperse BJYM protesters marching towards CM Hemant Soren's residence, with BJP leaders claiming police brutality against demonstrators. The Taliban has imposed new laws restricting women's rights, including mandatory full body covering in public, in one of the harshest measures since their return to power in 2021. India and the US have signed 2 key defense agreements, the Security of Supplies Arrangement (SOSA) and a Memorandum of Agreement during the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh's visit to Washington. It is time for a break now. We'll be back with more news. Stay tuned.
इस तरह आरकेडीएफ विश्वविद्यालय राज्य और देश के आधुनिक और उच्च विश्वविद्यालयों में से एक है। RKDF University, a world-class university. Education glorifies nation.
India has raised concern with Qatar over the seizure of Guru Granth Sahib copies, with the MEA working to ensure their respectful return amid demands from the Sikh community. An Indian passenger bus in Nepal's Tanahun district plunged into Marsiangdi River, resulting in 27 deaths out of 43 passengers, with 16 others injured. US Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin discussed the escalating Israel-Lebanon border situation with Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, reiterating the US commitment to the Israeli security. Indian javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra recorded a season's best throw of 89.49 meter at the Lausanne Diamond League, finishing second behind Grenada's Anderson Peters. In a first, Maharashtra's SIT has named the governing body of Badlapur School under the POCSO Act for failing to report sexual assault, along with the class staff following incidents involving 2 4-year-olds. Bangladeshi cricketer Shakib Al Hasan has been implicated in a murder case linked to a recent protest, according to a report, with the victim being a garment worker involved in the unrest. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar defended PM Modi's embrace of President Putin during the Russia-India summit, stating that embracing is a cultural greeting in India amid criticism from Western media. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.